check out Triple J's. Ribs under there, man. Them ribs are up underneath, man. Look at that. Good morning, family. 9 days on the road, and I'm here at the Walmart parking lot once again. Truck pulled up. See how that truck pulled up to me, man? It's got its nose facing. It didn't wake me up though. I woke up and heard it. But now it's time to get out, go to Starbucks, do some editing, and then to Planet Fitness. And then we like 10 miles from Houston, man. Maybe 15 miles. And that's our next stop, Houston, Texas. That's why gas cheap down here. They down here making their own gas in Texas. We are in Houston, Texas. We back, man. We back. I went to Burns BBQ the last time I was here. And then there was a lot of people, right? It was like, Burns is the truth. Burns is number one. Then there was like this group of people that was like, Burns done fell off. You gotta try Triple J's. You gotta try Triple J's. So now we're here. Triple J's Smokehouse. Let's go in here and check out the ribs. I'm coming here for the ribs, man. We might even get some brisket too, but we are here for the ribs, man, because it was a challenge. Y'all was challenging me. Yo, you gotta try Triple J's. This is nice. Yo, they got the sauce in the big jug right there. Check it out. I'm gonna give me a cup of that sauce. Look at that. Yo, we here at Triple J's. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Got the bread right there. Oh, junk. Look at that brisket, y'all. We got the brisket right there. And then we got them ribs under there, man. Them ribs are up underneath, man. Look at that. Look at them ribs, man. Oh, man, let's get into this, man. I'm about to put the top back on here. Look at this, man. And then I got the green beans and I got them baked beans right there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Let's go into it. I'm gonna set my bread over here, man. Let's set the bread on the side. Let's rip that off like that. We're gonna set this bread over here. And look at this, man. Look at this right here. Look at that. Oh my goodness, got that brisket right there. Up underneath that brisket are them ribs, man. Let's see what they got going for them. Look. We're gonna pull a rib up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull the ribs up and then I'm gonna pull a piece of brisket up right on camera so y'all can see. That was a long drive. Y'all challenged me. I'm here in Houston, Texas, and I got that meat. Check it out. First thing we going for, because it's a little chilly out here, I don't want this food to get cold, are for the ribs, all right? See, y'all playing with me. Y'all playing with me. Look at this. I told them to put sauce on it. I taste the sauce. I taste that smokiness like it went straight through the meat and was like, ha, ha, ha. Oh, this is good. This is good, man. I know y'all like compare them now. Oh, wow. That's gonna be a hard one. That's gonna be a hard one. What I gave Burns a 10? You can't get no better than a 10, can you? I'm gonna drink some of this sauce because I gotta know. Oh, the sauce is beautiful. Look at this rib, man. Had that green bean on it. Y'all seen it just fall down? Let me just dip that joker up in there like that. Hold on. Let me come at it. Yo,
I'm gonna just say that these are delicious. I know what y'all mean when y'all say that. I'm glad y'all told me to try Triple J's. Oh my goodness, that meat delicious. Hey, have you been to Burns? You been to Burns before? Burns BBQ? Which one you like? You don't like Burns? Yo, these are delicious. These are the truth, y'all. She said she don't like Burns. You know what? You know what, y'all? I'm not one of them cats with a big ego anymore. If I had to choose between coming here or Burns, I would come here. All right, okay? All right, y'all? All right, man. Oh my goodness, let's try the brisket. Look at this brisket, man. See that right there? Let me chew it up first. I'm eating all these ribs. I don't know if I'm even going anywhere else in Houston. You know how you go to one spot and be like, yo, this is a done deal. Okay, I'm gonna taste it first before I dip it in the sauce. It already has a little sauce on it. Okay, this is good too. The brisket is good. I think I prefer, from my memory now, I think I prefer Burns brisket. Because this one's a little harder to bite through. But it's really good. Let's try another piece of the brisket down here. That's a little small, thin piece. See that? Let's check that one out, y'all. I'm gonna start humming some Negro spirituals. Wow. All right, I'm done, y'all. I know y'all bugging right now saying, no, he did not say Negro spirituals. I got 2 more ribs right there. We going for it, man. And I got that brisket right there. I'm going back for some ribs, man. Look at them ribs. Look at them ribs. Look at them ribs. I'm gonna have to use the rib. These dope are delicious, man. You gotta get the sauce though. Look at that bone. Y'all normally don't see me do this, but let's eat a piece of this bread. One of y'all was laughing at me saying he don't want to eat white bread, but he eating all that fried food. What, you a doctor? It's funny how people be thinking they know what's healthy and what's not. You just listening to somebody else. You ain't no doctor. And if you are a doctor, big up, doc. I'm going for the beans. I'm gonna sop the beans up. I could eat these beans with my hand, man, like I'm Ethiopian. Oh, them beans are good too. I need a fork or a spoon. I can't leave my stuff here. All right, I gotta use the bone as like a utensil here, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm getting buck wild with it. That's how it should be. Even the baked beans are good. I'm gonna use my Carolina forks and dip the beans up, being that I don't have a fork. So we gotta use our Carolina John. There was no problem cleaning the bones. There is no problem cleaning the meat off of these bones. You know how you have good food and you just start rocking? That's the second bone down. I can go straight back to Jersey now. I'm good. Nah, y'all, I gotta go to El Paso. I gotta go back to El Paso to get some more chicharron. I'm even eating the bread. Ooh, it's cold out here. I got one more rib left. Look at that pizza hanging off there. See that piece of rib hanging off? I want that first. I'm telling y'all, I'm about to use my Carolina forks to get these green beans. How many of y'all ever been to an Ethiopian restaurant where you eat with your fingers? That's what we about to do. That's what I'm about to do, y'all. I know this is trifling. I know. Some of y'all is like, I ain't never seen nothing like that before. Everything's good, y'all. Those beans, I wonder what they cooked them in. Let's see what type of meat in them beans. I don't know what type of meat that is. That piece right there. Oh. That was a piece of the rib. Oh, wow. Like a piece of beef is in there with the green beans. Like I promised y'all, I'm about to eat that end right off of there. I'm gonna just pour a little bit of more of that barbecue gold on there. That piece tastes like it just came right off the grill. I can see the comments now. I told you. Big up respect, man. I love you cats, man. Thanks for suggesting this spot. Because if you would not have suggested it, I would not have known. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Dylan Scales. I'm the son of the owner. We're located in Houston, Texas, and it's Triple J's BBQ. We've been at this location since 1996. We've been in business since 1994.
Who started the business?
My parents, my mother and my father, Rhonda Scales and Jared Scales.
So it's a family business?
Yes, sir. It's a family-oriented business. Yes, sir.
Okay, I saw your picture on something in there. What was that?
Yes, sir. Well, we have a whole bunch of pictures from a lot of family, but you probably seen my graduation picture.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
High school?
Yeah, high school.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
I graduated high school in 2020, and I recently graduated college last year. So we have ribs, brisket, sausage. We have a lot of potatoes. Our probably number one seller is the Big J potato. It comes as a chopped beef potato with ribs and sausage on top. Yes, sir.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you. Yes, sir.
I want to go see the smoker now. Here we go. Let me just turn that like I have it on the rotisserie. Do that rib look good or what? It look good, taste good, smell good. I want to go back and talk to the pit master now. I want to know who made these ribs. And I'd rather have the ribs than the brisket. If I could do it again, I would have just got the ribs. I like the smaller pieces of the brisket though. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I'm already reading some of y'all minds. Y'all like, he's sitting there eating like a barbarian with his fingers. These are Carolina forks. Your food tastes better when you eat them with Carolina forks. Yes, I wash my hands before I'm eating. I'm starting to taste a little spiciness from the green beans now. This your man, Matt DV, signing off from Triple J's here in Houston. Triple J's Smokehouse barbecue spot here in Houston, Texas. We about to go on to El Paso next. It was great coming here, man. Thank you for suggesting the spot. Whoever suggested it, I love all you cats. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. And I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Y'all thought this was a game.
It's mad packed in here. At night. Does San Antonio have that little tower? See the tower?